Good morning students. In our last class we covered the topic number functions, round functions, truncate functions, mode functions, absolute functions, power functions, square root functions, CEIL functions and floor functions. Date functions are stored internally in numeric format. The default input and display the format for any date is year, month and date. You can input the value of the date in year first, then month, then date. Functions are there: current date, date different, day of the week, month of day of month, day of year, month name, day name and week function. These are the functions of date function. First function, current date, CURDAT. It returns the current date as the value year, month, date format. Current, or directly you can use current date function. No argument can be used inside the current function. You cannot use any argument inside the function. See, select current date. It displays the current date. Next function is date differ function. It returns expression 1 minus expression 2 expressed as a value in days, calculating the number of days from one date to the other date. Expression 1 is the first date and expression 2 is the another date. What computer can do, it means minus it and it find the difference and it calculate it how many number of days. See, the syntax is date diff expression 1 expression 2. Expression 1 is the first date, expression 2 is another date. Select date diff. First date I give it. First you should give the year and you should put inside the single quotation. See, 2020 9/20, that means 20th September 2020. Second date I use 17th September 2020. And how many days it returned the value 3. It returned the value 3. That means how many days? 3 days. 17, 18, 19. That means this 20 cannot be calculated. The first date cannot be included. Okay. That means if we minus it, it display only 3. That means that it cannot include 20. That means the starting date, the expression first date cannot be included when it find the differ. Next one is function is day name. Day name means it returns the name of the day of the particular date. It returns the day name. Day means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like this. See, select day name 2020 9/20. It display Sunday. Any date you can use it, any date. And these all functions can be used with table also. Next function is day of the week. It returns the numeric value from 1 to 7. It displays the number first week, second week, like this. As there are only 7 days in a week, it starts counting from Sunday. That means if Sunday, it returns 1 as an answer. If Monday, it returns 2. If Tuesday, it returns 3. The syntax is date of week function. See, select date of week 2020 9/19. It returns 7. 7 means Saturday. Clear? So you should enter here only date. If you want to find out with the help of field or inside the table, then what you do? Select date of week. Okay, here you can give the field name, then from the table name. Then it returns all the day number in the table. Next function is that day of month. It returns the numeric value of month. One begins the first day of the month and 31 or 30 being the last day of the month. That means which day? 20, 21, like this. Day, it display only the day. Syntax is day of month function. Select day of month 20, 20, 9, 20. It returns 20. Suppose if you give 20, 29, 13, it returns 13. That means it display with help of number, the day number. Okay, next function is day of the year. It returns the day of the year as a numeric value. First 1 means January and 365 means December 31. How many days? You can easily calculate here how many days. See, day of the year. I select here, select date of year 2020-9-20. What it return? 264 days. Means in September 20, how many days is over? 264 days is over. Next function is month function. Month name function. It returns the name of the month, January, February, like this, etc. How to use it? Month name function. Select month name, inside the bracket you give the date. What happened? It returned September. With the help of this month, it returned September. Next function is that day name. It returns the name of the day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like this. What is this function? Day name function. How to use it? Select day name. You should inside the function give the date. Then it returns the day. Here 2029-20. That means it returns Sunday. If you give 2029-21, it returns Monday. Week function. It returns the week number. If you run this query on 9th January 2020, then it return the first week 1, because 9th January is in the first week of the calendar year. This year 9th January, after the 9th January, the first week, 1 week is over. So how to check it, how many weeks are over? You can use week function. How to use it? Select week, the date. You give the date. When you give the date, automatically it returns the value. Here it returns the 38. That means in last Sunday, how many weeks are over? 38 weeks are over. Suppose if you give it, select week 2021-9. It returned 1. That means 1 week is over. Date. Select CUR date. It display the current date. Today is 23rd September 2020. Any current date, if you want to use it, you can use it the date function. DIF. Select date, DIFF, then give 2 dates. Suppose 2020, I write it 9, I write it today's date 23, comma, write it 2029, I write it 12 and bracket close, enter. See how many days? 11 days. That is used to find the difference of the date. Next one is that select day name. It display the day name. Select day name 2029-12. Press enter key. It display Saturday. 12th of September is Saturday. Next one, day of week. Select day of week 2029-12. Now it display the 7th week. Okay. Next one is day of week, then day name, day of month. Select day of month 2029-12. Then it display 12. Next, day of year. Select day of year 2029-12. It display, see, 256. How many days in September 9? How many days are over? 256 days are over. Next, month name. Select month name equal to 2029-12. What it display? Press enter key. It display September. Next one, day name 2029-12. See, Saturday, day name. Next one is select week. How many weeks? Over. See, 36 weeks are over using select week. Now in MySQL we check the date functions. Select asterisk from table. See, here it display all the fields. Here DOB, date of birth, is in this table. Now we check it. Select day name from teacher. It display the day name of the teacher table from DOB, date of birth. Next one is day of week. Now we check it. Press enter key. It display the day of week. Now we check it. Day of month. See, it display the day of month. All the day of month of the date of birth from table teacher. Now day of year. When you press enter key, see, it display the day of year. All the day of year. Now month name from the teacher. Which field? Date of birth field. See, DOB field. When you press the enter key, it display all the month of the date of birth. Now it display the week. When you press enter key, it display all the weeks. First one is 47th week, second one is 35 week, third one is 41th week, and fourth one is 37 week, and fifth one is 41 week. Like this you can do it in table also. In the next class we learn the group function. Thank you.